Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A80, and today I will show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So to do it, you can hold your finger on the screen, and then you'll have an option right here, wallpapers. So you can just tap on it, and it will take you to basically my wallpapers, which is whatever comes preloaded with the device, and you can tap on it to simply change it like so, and then it gives you an option to what you want to set it to, either home screen, lock screen, or both. I'm just gonna quit. And there's also another way you can do it by going to, let's say, your gallery. Assuming, for instance, you have downloaded something from the internet, you can then find it in your gallery, like I have one right here, and then tap on the three little dots right here, and then choose Set as Wallpaper. And then again, you will have the same options, so you can tap on Set, for instance, both, and you get this thing. You can position it a little bit, zoom it in or out if you like, however you like, and then you can just choose Set as Wallpaper. As you can see, now we have a new amazing wallpaper. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.